In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Gemini in Google Docs, a powerful tool that can enhance your document creation experience. If you're ready to make the most out of your Google Docs, let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to docs.google.com. This is the hub for all your document needs, where you can create, edit, and manage files. Once you're there, you'll want to open a document. You can choose to create a new one if you're starting from scratch, or open an existing document if you're looking to add some fresh content or ideas using Gemini. Now, here's where the magic starts. Keep an eye out for the Gemini icon. This icon is your gateway to generating content efficiently. It might be located in the toolbar or within a panel on the side, depending on your interface. Once you've spotted that icon, go ahead and give it a click. This action will open up the Gemini panel, providing you with all the tools and functionalities Gemini offers. With the panel open and ready to use, it's time to put Gemini to work. In the input section, type out what you would like Gemini to generate. This could be anything from a summary, a list, or even a creative paragraph. Be as descriptive or as concise as you need. More detailed prompts can often result in more refined outputs. Once you've entered your request, hit the Create button. Gemini will then process your input and generate the content you're looking for, right within your document. Now that you've harnessed the power of Gemini to enhance your document, you might want to share or export your final work. Google Docs makes this process straightforward. You can share your document with collaborators by clicking the Share button, allowing you to invite others to view or edit it in real time. You can also export the document in various formats, such as PDF or Word, ensuring compatibility and accessibility across different platforms. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to access and use Gemini in Google Docs. This tool can make your writing easier, smarter, and even more fun as you explore its capabilities. Feel free to experiment with different types of content to see how Gemini can best serve your needs. If you have any questions or insights about using Gemini, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you get the most out of your Google Docs experience.